Greetings from the road. I'm here in Salem, Oregon with Zane and his mom, Miss Linda. And I always get unusual cars here. This is a 76 AMC Matador. I've never hauled one of these before in 15 years. This has got 30-some thousand original miles. This was probably the best running car in his dad's collection. He sold it to a guy in California. So I'm here loading it. He drove it out. Runs pretty good. It's got manual windows. It's a very wide car. So you don't see these too often. And it's going to a guy in California that's going to drive it around. So walk you around here. It's supposed to be raining right now, but it's not. So I'm going to get back to load. I've got the 1976 AMC Matador on the trailer. Probably because I'll never have an opportunity to see one of these again, let alone haul one. I started it up. Boy, this sounds good. Nice car, 32,000 original miles. I'm unloading this 1976 AMC Matador out of my trailer. This is going to a commercial office complex, and I was able to find a low cross in the driveway. And this is where gravity is your friend, because gravity is just unloading this thing out of the trailer. This is why I winch cars on and off. The exhaust system has fallen off of it, so it's dragging a little bit, but there's not much I can do about that. It's the original exhaust system. So I'll get to the front of it and push it forward. I hope everybody had a good week. After this, I've got to go visit my friend Kim Dobbins down in Burbank, California. Everybody have a good weekend.